In this video, we will explore different ways we can allow our customers to select product variations from our WooCommerce product table. When a customer tries to add a variable product to cart from the product table, a modal form will automatically open, showing the available attribute options so they can select a suitable variation. We can also give the option to select a variation directly in the product table. To do this, let's create a new column in our product table. We'll give the column settings box a suitable name. We'll also add a text element to the column heading and enter variations in it. Then add the select variation element in the column cell settings. This element generates a single drop-down box with all the available variations listed as options, allowing the shopper to select the product variation they want. Notice as you select different variation options, the product image also changes according to the selected variation. The select variation element that we have added to our product table also gives you the option to display variations as radio buttons instead. While this select variation element shows variations in a single drop-down box, you also have the option of showing separate variation attribute drop-downs, just like on the single product page. If you want to show the variation attribute options in separate drop-downs, you can do so by using the cart form element in the table. This element prints the add to cart form from the single product page into the product table for every product. In its settings, you can select the specific form elements that you wanted to display. Lastly, we can also create a product variation table where each variation will be displayed in a separate row of the product table. To do this, first let's delete the variation selection column as it will not be necessary. If you have a short description element in your table, ensure you replace it with a content element if you want to show variation description. Now in the query settings of the product table, select the option called Enable Variation Table. As you can see, now your product table displays variations in separate rows. Please keep in mind that a product variation table can only show variation products and not other product types. And that covers the basic options related to variation selection from the product table. There are further options in the plugin related to this topic, so please feel free to go ahead and explore.